we're starting a beta program for like three new printers, CR10, CR6SC, and Sidewinder. And we have a beta sign up in our shop on our website. Click the shop button, click the beta testing button, and you can get um, a link where you can just plop your email in there and you'll get updates about our beta program. And we're doing these beta programs, giving our beta testers a discount. Um, and in exchange, the beta testers help us develop the product and also the future of 3D printing automation.
Hmm.
So I think it's a pretty cool program to get involved with. We have a separate Discord space set up for beta testers too. You can join in and check out the beta tester lounge, say hi.
You get to be the first to get automation on your 3D printer. You don't have to buy a special 3D printer to do this. You can use the printer you know and love.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, we've had a really good response so far. I think we have about 700 people signed up on our list. And I mean, even before we formalize this program, we have about 20 beta testers for new software that I've been working with, and we've
Mm-hmm.
worked with dozens of people on the product launches that have happened so far, and now we just have a more streamlined, efficient way of doing it. So yeah, if you're interested, hit that beta testing link, throw in your email. We'll contact you shortly after that, and get a sense of what printers you have, what printers you'd be interested in helping automate. Yeah, and we can kind of build the future of 3D printing and hopefully the future of manufacturing together.